Alright, option number 2 was the winner, the one that we decided to go with. I know everybody was sitting on the edges of their seats just waiting to see what we decided. It's option number 2. More to follow as I work through this. Okay, well, our office area is done, so we have a nice relaxing place to sit and work, or sit and have our meals. As I said, we moved the couch out of the way and took that bottom bunk out. The top bunk, you can still lift it up so you can drop it back down and it's still functional. This table will still function as a bunk. You can put a pad on it and be able to lay down on it and relax. Also, I suppose a small child could probably sleep down here on this lower section as well. And you tell me, I think that turned out pretty good color-wise. I think it kind of matches and looks good in here. And again, makes this area really nice and functional for us to where we can sit, work, eat, relax. It serves multiple purposes, so I'm pretty happy with how that turned out. And we reused the bench that was in here at the dinette, so reusing the material, so no extra cost there involved, which is great. Of course, ran the plumbing down, up, and underneath here, so that it runs back over to the hot water heater, which is over here on this side, and I just kind of put a box around it. And I've got that folding table leg up underneath there so that it can provide extra support if somebody's laying on this, or you could just flip it up out of the way. One other thing I wanted to mention while I was at all this, there was no electrical back here. So what I did was I took just a regular heavy-duty extension cord and ran it through, back and around and down where the plumbing comes through here, so that I have a 110 on the outside that I can plug in also. So if we want to run an air conditioner or heaters or what have you, that'll be a direct line running out.